Hello everyone, I just wanted to give you a quick glimpse of my mom's tomato plants, and I'm going to give you a close-up view of what's happening with them, and then also I'll update this in about maybe once a week for a little while. Now it's currently the first week of October here in, well, it's the first week of October everywhere right now, but I'm in Riverside County, California, and the first frost here is not until December. So we've got quite a bit of time to go before there will be the first frost. So I just wanted to show you what is happening on the plants so that I can update them over time. So here is one, and I'm not sure how well you can see that there's right in here there are 3 tomatoes. And right now they're about the size of, let's say, a good sized cherry tomato. So, but these are not cherry tomato plants. So that's just a reference for size. There's another one there. You can see. Let's see. I'm getting a lot of shade in here. There's one right there, and so on. You can also see that there are a lot of buds. Now, I am definitely not a master gardener. I'm somewhat new at gardening, and so I would love if those of you that have more gardening experience would let me know if I should do anything with all of these buds. Should I nip some of them so that more the tomatoes that grow better, or should I just leave them as they are? You can see there's quite a few flowers as well. So this is, I'll call this tomato plant 1 that already has the tomatoes growing. And then here, this is tomato plant 2. There's some buds, but I am not yet seeing any tomatoes on them unless I'm just missing them. So anyway, yeah, I just wanted to show you what we have going on here, and so you guys can monitor the progress of these plants over time. Also, I just wanted to mention that initially my mom had them planted over here, and you can see there's this walkway here and this, and they were not doing well at all, and she moved them, and we're speculating that it was just too hot right over in here. So as I mentioned, we're in December now, or excuse me, as I mentioned, we are in October now, and even just a few days ago it was still over 100 degrees. And so anyway, you can imagine how hot it was for them, and I think it was just too extreme. Whereas over here, try to get to where there's not so much shadow here, you can see that there's the roof over her garden area, and it does help to keep things a lot cooler. And so the tomato plants here get a good amount of sun, but they also get some shade during the day. So it's possible that that is what has helped as well. So anyway, I would love it if you guys give me your thoughts on growing tomatoes, especially if you grow them in the heat, what you have found that works. Also, again, I don't know how well you can see that there's just tons of buds on these right now. There's tons of flowers, and I'm curious if I should just let them be, or if I should trim off some of those so that the other ones grow better. We got some here that don't know how well you can see, but right in here that are getting ready. They're not yet opened up, but they are there. So anyway, looking forward to hearing your thoughts on this. And again, I'll share updates with you as time goes by. Thanks so much, and have a great day. Happy gardening if you are still in a season where you can garden, in a climate where you can garden. And by the way, if you're not, I'm planning on doing a lot of videos on indoor gardening, which you can do whether you're in an apartment or if you're in a place where winter doesn't allow you to garden, and so on. So stay tuned for those. Anyway, thanks so much. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.